You thought AI image generation was mind-blowing? Get ready, because AI video is here to change everything. We're talking about creating entire cinematic scenes, complex animations, and photorealistic clips from just a text prompt. Today, we're putting two titans head-to-head, Google's brand new Veo 3 versus the much-hyped Sora from OpenAI. Which one will redefine the future of content creation? Stick around. All right, let's break it down. For months, the AI space has been buzzing about text-to-video models. OpenAI first stunned the world with Sora, showcasing its ability to generate longer, coherent video clips. But Google wasn't sitting idle. They've just unleashed Veo with its latest iteration, Veo 3, promising unprecedented realism and, get this, synchronized audio generation. So, who's behind these powerhouses? Google Veo. Developed by Google DeepMind, Veo is Google's flagship generative video model. Veo 3 is the cutting edge, currently in preview. OpenAI. Sora, created by OpenAI, the minds behind ChatGPT and DALL-E. Sora aims to understand and simulate the physical world in motion. These aren't just fancy tech demos, they represent a monumental leap in generative AI. Let's dive into what makes these models tick and how they stack up. 1. Video quality and realism. Google Veo 3. Google is heavily emphasizing cinematic quality. Veo aims for high fidelity, capable of understanding nuanced prompts for specific camera effects, like time-lapse, aerial shots, or drone footage. Early demonstrations show incredible consistency in lighting, textures, and character appearance over time. While the current preview of Veo 3 generates videos around 8 seconds at up to 720p, Google is targeting 4K resolution and longer outputs. The model is trained to have a better grasp of physics and complex interactions. Some early tests, for example, showed Veo 2 outperforming Sora in depicting realistic object interactions, like a knife cutting a tomato, with accurate reflections and shadows. OpenAI Sora impressed with its ability to generate videos up to 60 seconds long, though practical high-quality output is often closer to 20 seconds with resolutions up to 1080p. It excels at creating complex scenes with multiple characters, specific types of motion, and detailed backgrounds. Sora's strength lies in its world simulation potential. It doesn't just string images together, it tries to understand the underlying dynamics of a scene. However, like many AI models, it can sometimes struggle with complex physics or cause and effect relationships over longer durations, occasionally leading to visual artifacts or inconsistencies. 2. Prompt understanding and control. Veo 3. Google claims Veo offers a high degree of control over the final output, allowing creators to specify not just the content, but also the visual and cinematographic style. It's designed to understand filmmaking language, giving more granular control to storytellers. Veo can also generate video from an image prompt alongside a text prompt, maintaining stylistic consistency. Sora also demonstrates a strong understanding of language, interpreting prompts to generate characters expressing vibrant emotions and maintaining character and style consistency across multiple shots within a single generated video. It can animate still images or extend existing videos. 3. Unique and advanced features. Veo 3 can synchronize audio. This is a huge differentiator. Veo 3 can generate not just video, but also synchronized audio, including dialogue, sound effects, and music that matches the visual content, all from the same prompt. This is a massive step towards creating truly complete video clips with AI. Sora, world simulation and spatiotemporal patches. Sora uses a transformer architecture similar to GPT models, but operates on patches of video data in both space and time. This approach allows it to learn complex temporal dynamics and object permanence to a degree not seen before. Trying to build a rudimentary understanding of how objects and entities interact and persist in a 3D space over time. 4. Model versions and evolution. Veo. We've seen rapid progression from initial announcements to Veo 2 and now Veo 3 in preview. Each iteration aims for higher quality, more control, and new features like Veo 3's audio. It's integrated into Google's Vertex AI platform. Sora was introduced with impressive capabilities, and OpenAI continues to refine it, focusing on safety, reducing biases, and improving adherence to prompts. It's still not widely publicly available, but is accessible to select researchers, artists, and through some paid OpenAI plans. The potential applications are staggering: filmmaking and content creation, from short films and music videos to dynamic marketing ads and social media content. These tools will democratize video production. Imagine indie filmmakers creating epic scenes without massive budgets. Education and training, visualizing complex scientific concepts, historical events, or intricate procedures will become incredibly accessible. Prototyping and design. Product designers and architects can quickly visualize ideas in motion. Gaming and virtual reality. Generating dynamic game assets or immersive VR experiences could be revolutionized. Personalized storytelling. Creating custom animated stories or video messages. Real-world examples, hypothetical based on capabilities. Veo 3, a marketing team, prompts, a 10-second cinematic shot of a new eco-friendly sneaker splashing through a pristine puddle in slow motion, golden hour lighting, upbeat indie music, with a voiceover saying, "Step into nature," aerial follow shot. Veo 3 could generate this entire clip, audio included. Sora, an educator prompts, a 30-second animation explaining photosynthesis. Show sunlight hitting a leaf, water traveling up the stem, and glucose being created, with cartoon characters representing water and CO2 molecules. Sora could generate a visually engaging explanation. As incredible as these tools are, they're not perfect. The Uncanny Valley. While realism is improving, AI-generated humans can still sometimes look slightly off or exhibit unnatural movements. Physics and logic. Complex physics, long-range consistency, and detailed cause and effect can still be challenging. You might see objects behaving strangely or narratives losing coherence over longer durations. Computational cost. Generating high-quality video is computationally intensive. This impacts generation times and accessibility. Ethical concerns and misuse. The potential for creating convincing deepfakes, misinformation, or biased content is a major concern. Both Google and OpenAI are working on safeguards like watermarking. Sora uses C2PA metadata and content policies. Accessibility and current limitations. Veo 3, currently in preview with 8-second video limits and 720p resolution. In this stage, full capabilities are yet to be broadly rolled out. Sora, not yet widely public, access is limited, and even with access, generating longer, high-quality videos consumes significant credits or resources. A critical aspect is data privacy and how these models are trained. Google utilizes its vast data sets, including publicly available content and licensed data. Their AI principles guide development, and they state that data from Google Workspace, like Docs, Gmail, isn't used to train their generative models without permission. Veo on Vertex AI will adhere to Google Cloud's data governance and privacy commitments. OpenAI has also used a combination of publicly available and licensed data. They are actively working with red teamers to identify and mitigate potential harms. OpenAI has security certifications like SOC 2 Type 2 for its business products and emphasizes user control over data where possible. The debate around copyright of training data and generated content is ongoing across the entire AI industry. This is where things get interesting as access is still evolving. Google Veo, Veo2, is becoming available through Google AI Pro plans around $19.99/month, which also includes other Gemini features and cloud storage. It's also accessible via Vertex AI for developers and enterprises. Veo 3, the latest model with audio, is accessible via the new Google AI Ultra plan around $249.99/month with introductory offers, which provides highest limits and access to Google's most advanced models. It will also be available on Vertex AI, OpenAI Sora. Access is primarily through paid ChatGPT plans. ChatGPT Plus, $20 per cent, typically for shorter videos, e.g. up to 10 seconds, 720p with a monthly quota. ChatGPT Pro, around $50/month, with higher tiers potentially up to $200, 0 cent/month for extensive use, provides higher resolution, 1080p, up to 20 seconds, and more generation credits/priority. Sora uses a credit system where the cost per video depends on length and resolution. Availability for both is expanding, but expect phased rollouts and potential waitlists, especially for the newest features. So, who wins this AI video showdown? It's not a simple answer. Choose Google Veo 3 if you prioritize absolute cutting-edge realism, cinematic control, and especially if the new synchronized audio generation is a game changer for your projects. If you're already in the Google ecosystem or need enterprise-grade tools via Vertex AI, Veo is compelling. The promise of 4K and tight integration with other Google tools like YouTube Shorts is also a big plus for the future. Choose OpenAI Sora if you need longer video generation capabilities right now, up to a minute, albeit with caveats, value creative flexibility, and want access to some built-in editing and remixing features. If you're already a ChatGPT Plus/Pro user, exploring Sora is a natural next step. Its world model approach also hints at very powerful future capabilities for simulation. Honestly, both are revolutionary. The real winner is us, the creators, storytellers, and innovators who will get to use these tools. The competition is fierce, and that means rapid advancements are on the horizon. What do you think? Are you more excited about Google Veo 3 or OpenAI's Sora? Which features blow your mind? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay on the cutting edge of AI tools and trends, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. We're always exploring tools that can boost your creativity and productivity. Maybe suggest which AI model we should cover next.